Ready to stop guessing and start commanding your AI? The key isn't a fancier AI tool, it's writing better prompts. What's up, everyone? In today's honest review, we're exploring Prompt Cowboy, a website that positions itself as a tutorial and guide for beginners in AI prompt engineering. We'll walk through its entire offering, analyze its tools, and give you a clear picture of the good and the not so good. By the end, you'll know if this is the resource that can finally unlock your AI's potential. So let's jump right in. Prompt Cowboy introduces itself as a platform dedicated to teaching the skill of prompt engineering. It begins with foundational concepts in its quick start guide, defining prompt engineering as the process of crafting effective instructions for AI. It advocates for a structured approach, breaking down prompts into essential elements to ensure clarity and better outcomes. The primary learning material is the free prompt engineering tutorial, which outlines their recommended process. Central to this is the Prompt Engineering Canvas, a planning tool designed to help you meticulously outline the AI's role, the specific task, the output format, and other parameters. This framework aims to bring discipline to your prompt creation. To aid practical application, the site features a prompt generator that constructs detailed prompts from your basic descriptions. Goodbye, everyone, and see you later.